Hey there, marketers! Ready to boost your online presence? Let's dive into Digital Marketing 101. First up, SEO, search engine optimization. Think of it as the foundation of your digital strategy. Optimize your website, use relevant keywords, and get quality backlinks. You'll climb search engine rankings faster than you think. Next, social media marketing. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. Create engaging content, use hashtags wisely, and engage with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list and send personalized content. Newsletters, promotions, and updates keep your audience in the loop and drive conversions. Content marketing, it's all about providing value. Blogs, videos, infographics, mix it up. Answer questions your audience is asking and become their go-to resource. Don't forget pay-per-click PPC advertising. Google ads and social media ads can drive immediate traffic. Set your budget, target the right audience, and watch the clicks roll in. Analytics and data are crucial. Tools like Google Analytics give insights into what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on data, not guesswork. Lastly, keep up with trends. Digital marketing is ever-changing. Follow industry news, join webinars, and never stop learning. So there you have it, a crash course in digital marketing. Remember, it's not about being everywhere, but being where it matters most to your audience. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your online presence soar. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy marketing.